Well, it's 12:42 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Today's date is 8/1 of 2010. And welcome to stockmarketpunting.com, and we're going to analyze, like we always do, for our traders that this video is made for them. So SMF traders, market makers, are going to watch this particular Morgan Stanley Technology Index. And these are the broader components called $MSH.X. These are the companies that are in it. And it's Google's in here, Adobe's in here, Nvidia, Yahoo, RIM is in here, Nokia, Qualcomm, Java. It's a fairly decent. It's got Cisco, it's got Amazon, Hewlett Packard, ADI, ADP, Microsoft, Flextronics. It's a very good index that we want to see. That technology can lead rallies in the beginning, but rallies are never sustainable just alone on technology, and it's very important that you understand and know the difference. And basically they have options that you can trade. Here's the option chain right here, okay, in your level 2 Morgan Stanley Technology Index. Those are the readings where that is. What I will do is I'll move this over here, and what I am going to do is show you the weekly chart, and I'm going to show you that technology had sold off with the broader markets to that bottom. Here's your range. It also led the rally that we had called back over here. Now the thing about it is stockmarketpunting.com has its own bear and bull trend analyzer, never seen by the public before, but our traders use it. And the thing about it is you too can come and find out by taking a free 5-day trial. Cost you nothing. Then you can give your opinions and whatnot at that time, because once again we got a weekly sell signal. We peaked at the week. We've also had the same kind of deal. Is the reason why this was important is it followed the Dow and some of the other indexes that we're showing about, and from its bear trend 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 weeks below the 10-week moving average. The 10-week is that blue line declining. It finally has a closing price of 2 weeks above it. That's right here. The 20-week is bearish because it's still slanting, as you can see, at resistance. The other thing about it is if the rally is going to continue, and remember, a lot of the movement is earnings related, July 2010 earnings related. Basically, what makes it bearish still is the weekly sell signal here. Yes, it's come up off its bottom. Yes, it's trying to head in the right direction. Anything below this white line means that any up move will be weak. So when you want rallies, you want to get back to these weekly buy signals. And here's what a weekly buy signal looks like. Right over here, when we started the big breakout to that top up there, from here, right after the move got going, we triggered a weekly buy signal, and we stayed up here for a long time. Weekly sell signals, as I always teach people, are great shorting opportunities to make lots of money going down there. Once they peak and start to ascend mathematically, that confirms the double bottom price action, and rallies and new rallies are born again. Let us not be confused, though, in some of the compounding factors to the trend. And once again, SMF doesn't have an opinion about anything. It has a pure mathematical equation that deciphers bear and bull trends. Look, to get back to a bull trend, I'm going to need 4 weeks above the 10-week, which I've already talked about. The other thing I'm going to need is I'm going to need a weekly closing price above here. So let's do a horizontal line, make it better for you. Okay, let's clear those lines right there. This bar is a crucial, it's called the SMF weekly bull and bear bar. Now, until I can close above half of this SMF bear bar, anything below that bear bar, that's why you don't break these resistance tops, and we're going back up to challenge that. I must consolidate above this white line. I must consolidate above here now. In order for me to ever think that I'm going to break the reversal high over here that was on 418 of 2010, I'm going to have to consolidate. I'm going to have to take that resistance out. That means I could go from this bear trend below the 10 week. 10 week is flattened out. That's the bull case. This would keep going up. Hopefully goes back into a buy signal for the bull, that is. That's the bull hope. The bear, on the other hand, says that if I don't close above here, that this is going to weaken, and we're going to watch to see if sellers start to move in. Remember the month of August, and we're coming up, and that's your lower support, half of this bar. That support on the index is right about 528. So stay tuned. Let it not be forgotten that you can learn so much here using our mathematical analyzers and proprietary module risk management systems. We've got over 150 of them. So look, take the free 5-day trial, get to know us, get to know our accuracy, then give us a report card and give us your take. But once you get to know us, once you get to see us in daily action, what we do within markets, how our worldwide network is, our global network, that is, and then our US network, that's fine. Those are lots of SMF, MMT traders using our platform. We have our own direct access trading platform. Boy, take a free 5-day trial watching that thing. I guarantee you, not only you walk away in amazement and shock, but you'll walk away that you know that you can come back and get involved with the SMF system and do well in any market.